Understanding Pneumatic Motors, an easy guide for English learners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in the world of mechanics, pneumatic motors. This video is designed to help English language learners understand what pneumatic motors are and how they work. So, let's dive into the world of pneumatic technology together. A pneumatic motor, also known as an air motor, is a type of motor that uses compressed air to produce rotational motion. Unlike electric motors that rely on electricity, pneumatic motors use the energy of compressed air. This makes them safe in hazardous environments where electrical sparks could cause a fire or explosion. They are commonly used in various industrial applications. Every pneumatic motor has several key components. These include 1. Air inlet, where compressed air enters the motor. 2. Rotor, the part that rotates, driven by air pressure. 3. Vanes. These slide in and out of the rotor and help convert air pressure into rotational motion. 4. Exhaust, where used air is released. Understanding these parts helps in comprehending how the motor operates. The working principle of a pneumatic motor is quite interesting. Compressed air enters the motor through the air inlet. This air pushes the vanes against the inner wall of the motor, causing the rotor to turn. The movement of the rotor generates rotational power, which can then be used to drive machinery or tools. Pneumatic motors have several advantages. Safety, ideal for hazardous environments. Durability, fewer moving parts mean less wear and tear. Power-to-weight ratio, they are powerful yet lightweight. They are widely used in industries like automotive, manufacturing, and even in robotics. We hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand pneumatic motors better. Remember, learning technical terms in English can be challenging but also rewarding. Keep practicing, and you'll master this and many other topics in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.